all you Phastek fans. Today we're going to be installing these innovative styling concept LED side markers on our 2010 Camaro SS. These side markers are DOT compliant with the amber lights in the front and the red lights in the back. We're going to go with the tinted look today to complete our blackout look. This is going to be a fairly simple install today. You only need a few simple hand tools. Your T15 Torx, a 7mm socket, a ratchet extender, and a flat tip screwdriver. All right, first thing we have to do is first you want to make sure your car is cooled off. You do not want to touch the bulbs when your car has been hot. So let it sit and cool off for a little while. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to remove the 3 T15 Torx screws from the fender liner so you can pull that back. Now we can pull back our fender liner so we can access the tab of our factory side marker right back here. You're gonna push in with your screwdriver and then push out while you're pushing it. Now that we have the side marker popped out, just wiggle it and pull it all the way out so we can get the housing unit off. You're just gonna wiggle until you can get this factory bulb out. Okay, now we're gonna install our innovative styling concept side marker. You wanna make sure that this curve is facing the bottom left. You're gonna plug in the plug from the ISC side marker. Want to test it to make sure it's working correctly, just hit your unlock button and it'll light up. Now we're ready to connect the housing unit to our new side marker. And then you just slide in your tab over here and pop in the tab on the back. Now we're gonna put our fender liner back together before we move on to the rear. Hey guys, I'm gonna cheat a little bit on the rear and remove the 7mm bolt right here from our bumper so that I could access our side marker just a little bit easier. So next you have 3 T15 Torx in your fender liner. There's one up here, one right here, and one down here. So you're gonna wanna remove them so we can pull the liner back as well. So now we're gonna pull back our fender liner and pull down very slightly on your bumper. You want to be careful you don't pull too hard because you don't want to crack it. So your tab is going to be right in here. You could push it with your finger or a screwdriver. I'm just going to use my hand. Push it in and out at the same time. Then you're going to wiggle it out of its slot and remove the housing unit to get to the bulb. Counterclockwise, guys. This is our new side marker. So we're gonna insert this into the housing unit. Make sure it works. And now we're gonna reattach our factory housing unit to the new side marker. Now that you have the housing unit reattached, you just slide this tab on this side and then your other tab right here. Now we just have to put the car back together.